Hi there everyone. In this quick video, I'm going to talk about how you can update your, let's say, Microsoft Word to latest version, which I would say is pretty easy. All we need to do is we need to hit Windows button and then we need to type Word. Let's open it and then click here on account and then click on update option and then click on update now. Now the Windows will download all necessary update in your system. You need to wait for a while, depend on the size of update, and after some time that can last long from few minutes to several minutes until you see this message which says your system is up to date. So in this way guys, you can update Microsoft Word. Hope you like it. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel to follow more such tips and tricks related to productivity, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.